Hello, I would like to introduce you about this coffee shop. It's very cute and very nice. Actually, this one called I have to see is it's a sign for the name of the cafe here. Actually, it's like a kind of a workshop here. Before, hello. So you see that one called. There you go. It's called LittleBlues Craft and Cafe. So now we are at the LittleBlues Craft and Cafe in Ban Khao Takiab. So actually like an intersection here, and when you come here, just a nice area you can see around here as well. Basically, I want to show you the cafe itself. The area is very nice. You can see the pineapple house there is showing the workshop, and also the cactus house here that I'm gonna walk inside and show you a little bit here. You can see like a clay pot that is handmade, and also a lot of cactus there as well that they planted here in this house. So just show you around. It has many kind of cactus, small, medium size, and a big one. This one is like a kind of a showroom of the cactus here for the cafe. There you go, even on the floor here as well. And they have here very cute one. It looks like a finger. Many kind of cactus here. Big one as well there. Ginormous one as well here. Just going around, let you see more with the round shape, standing shape, a bigger head like that, or even like a little finger. That one look more like a little finger around. And that one have the flower here already. There you go. So that is a tiny one as well here. So just show you around. This is a big one, a ginormous one here. So for the cactus lover, should not miss it. And the vibe around here is very nice as well, because like I said to you, it's not very crowded, it's not very busy. It's like a kind of a cafe with the art workshop. So, and I can show you around here as well. For the cafe, you can see like in front of the cafe, they have like a little area here that you can chill out and stay here outside for chill out here as well. It's very nice. And the cafe itself called LittleBlues Craft and Cafe. So it's open from 9:30 to 5 and closed on Monday. So this is the area that I just show you around. And except from the cactus house, you have also seen the big tree here. You have like a small bench here around. You can chill out as well with a little sheep family and a chair to sit. So this is a pineapple house that I told you before, and actually they just planned it for the workshop. But because now they close it, because they move it to the back side already. So in this area look like they plant, and they have some more greenery things that you can see, like a banana tree as well. Many kind of tree around here. You can see here, and this is a toilet one that in case that you would like to drop by and have help yourself there. And at the back here you also have the pineapple field here as well. So I just pan around for the pineapple. They plant like a pineapple and cactus here. That is a very ginormous cactus, but look very lovely. You can see they even have a flower on it. With a different color, red and yellow. And inside here we can go a bit deeper in the field here. That one is a pineapple tree, a pineapple farm here. Look, have a tiny small one there. Actually you can see more pineapple at the end of the year. So this is a huge one. They already harvest one time already at the end of last year, and now is the next one. You can see more here as well. So they just plant it here. And this is in front of you, this is another workshop that they just make it for their art and craft inside or keep their work. It's quite nice area here. Just pan around and see a little bit more of the pineapple. Okay, now we just gonna go back in the shop itself, see more what they have. Like I said to you, this shop cafe is very nice and have a very, like a very good decoration and look more greenery here as well. And it's called LittleBlues Craft and Cafe, which is close to the main road on the line number 4, okay, in Khao Takiab village, or it's called Khao Takiab district. So now I just walk inside the cafe and show you a little bit around of the artwork here. There you go. And they also have some like kind of souvenir things that you would like to buy, for example like bag or something. I think that is for sale as well, for a little one like that. This one that I show you, that one, the price is 1,000 baht if you would like to. It's a handmade bag. And also you can see around for the shop here inside, they also have a little bracelet made of the beads here as well. And even with a little vase here. And like I said to you, here is just like a cafe and workshop at the same time. So it's advertises like one day workshop from 10:30 to 4 p.m. in the afternoon, Saturday and Sunday, and it's a basic bead making. There you go. Have a necklace here as well, and this is a ring and the earring. And some more painting picture for decoration. Some more here. So I have already asked them that I can film inside the cafe itself. So, and they also sell like a kind of a bakery here, like cake. And soft drink, and the rest is just like a kind of a normal coffee, but they brew it, make it fresh from the machine itself here. So the price is for the hot is price range is around 50 to 75 baht, or something like passion fruit it a bit more expensive, like 95. So that is all the rest here. Thank you for watching for my videos, and if you like it or you have any opinion or any question, please don't forget to leave the comment or press like to give me a support, or even subscribe for me as well. And in case that you're interested, please look for my other videos. Thank you very much and see you for the next time. Bye bye.